With increasing interest in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum, people all around the world are looking for ways to use and spend these currencies in their everyday lives. As a merchant or brand, you may be considering accepting crypto as payment, maybe to gain a competitive advantage, or maybe it's the low fees of cryptocurrency that are appealing to you. But how do you get started? Which coins should you accept, and how do you go about setting each of them up? This is where Coinpayments comes in to make this process incredibly easy. With just a few clicks, you can be accepting thousands of different cryptocurrencies in your shop or on your website. Coinpayments was founded in 2013, and they were not only the first cryptocurrency payment processor, but they're still the largest and most accepted worldwide today. In addition to accepting Bitcoin, they're also the largest altcoin processor in the world. Coinpayments currently accepts over 1,900 different coins, and that number is always growing. This allows both brands and consumers to have more options. Brands and merchants can choose to accept cryptocurrencies that line up with their own interests, and consumers can have more options to spend their favorite coins. Coinpayments offers plugins for all the popular web cards used today, such as Shopify, WooCommerce, OpenCart, Magento, and more. And it only takes a few moments to download the plugin and start accepting cryptocurrency on your site. They also offer a variety of different merchant tools to help support their partners as well. They offer resources for a variety of needs, such as website buttons, donation options, point of sale interfaces, shopping cart buttons, payment notifications, and more. Now, with any payment processor, one of the biggest things to look for is their fee structure. This is really where cryptocurrencies shine, as they offer much lower fees than traditional fiat currencies. Coinpayments is an industry leader when it comes to offering low fees and allow their merchants to accept over 1,900 cryptocurrencies for only a 0.5% fee. Okay, so let's say that you are accepting a variety of different coins through Coinpayments. What do you do with them now? Well, Coinpayments offers a few different options. You can easily convert it to your local fiat currency like the US dollar or the euro. You can hold and store the coins in their multi-coin wallet. And you can also enable their auto coin conversion feature. This way, if you have a certain cryptocurrency you'd like to be paid in, such as Bitcoin, Litecoin, or Ethereum, but you still want to accept a wider variety of different coin options, you can have your transaction automatically converted to that coin of choice. This saves you the trouble of moving funds, wasting time, and fees. If you're curious about what shops accept crypto, then check out Cryptwork, a comprehensive cryptocurrency store directory. Now, this is a helpful tool for consumers that are looking for places to spend their Bitcoin and crypto, which can help give you a competitive advantage by giving your shop more exposure and visibility. In addition to offering brands and merchants a way to accept cryptocurrency, Coinpayments also offers consumers a way to buy gift cards with their favorite cryptos. Consumers can quickly buy gift cards to their favorite retailers like Adidas, Best Buy, Hulu, Lowe's, Nike, and Uber using their favorite cryptos such as Bitcoin, Litecoin, or Tether. Now, Coinpayments not only has a beautiful and easy to use interface, but they also offer a mobile app for both iOS and Android. So you can easily access your Coinpayments account to send and receive coins, accept POS payments in person, and even exchange between coins anywhere you have internet access. Coinpayments also just partnered with the world's largest digital asset exchange, Binance, to support their BNB token. Now, BNB is the native coin of the main Binance chain and historically has been used for ways to pay for trading fees on the exchange. But now, Coinpayment merchants are able to select BNB as a token option, and Binance community members can immediately start spending their BNB with different Coinpayment vendors. When looking for a payment processor to work with, there are a lot of different factors to consider. Things like, do they provide excellent customer service? Do they have tons of different payment options? Easy integration and low fees? But another thing to consider is how they're innovating and improving the payment processing industry. Coinpayments is not only the oldest and largest crypto payment processor, but they're arguably one of the most innovative as well. For example, they just released their pay by name feature, which allows users to have one unique tag to receive payments from all coins. This greatly simplifies the crypto experience, but in a really secure way. I hope you found this overview of Coinpayments to be helpful. If you have any questions or would like to get in contact with the team, please go to coinpayments.net. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and information on how to incorporate cryptocurrencies into your business.